Do you have subwoofers you want to install in your vehicle and have a hard time choosing the amplifier? The RZR1-2500D is excellent because of its compact design, measuring under 11 inches. You could fit into any car's trunk, behind any truck seat, or even under most vehicles' front seats. This model, along with most Power Acoustik amplifiers, can accept high or low-level inputs, which means you can interconnect to any existing head unit you have in your vehicle. Brilliant, right? This RZR one-channel subwoofer amp can deliver plenty of power and play down to a stable 2-ohm load. With the provided remote bass controller, you can control how much bass you want. Check out poweracoustik.com for more product information and specs, and be sure to follow us on social media.